That's so much product, right? It looks like a hockey stick.
No, I broke it.
But it's just this gloopy mess of a wand. No more gloopy messes. Hi guys, today I'll be walking you through how you can solve a problem with Falscara. Now, I've never experienced this problem before. Previously, I had a problem where the actual stopper was literally at the bottom here, and I had to literally cram the Falscara wand back into the bond section and really like screw it on and then pop it out. But this time my Falscara literally had no stopper, no filter, whatever you want to call it, and I was literally stuck for a few days not knowing what to do. So in this video I'm going to explore a few options as to how you can solve this problem. I went ahead, bought a few things on Amazon. I tried to DIY something myself. It didn't work the first time, but in the second time you'll see it worked a dream. Now this will only work if you don't use the Falscara seal, or you have a spare one of these lying about. Say if you already use Falscara and you have the spare tube of this from your previous use, then it's gonna work. Now obviously you don't expect this to happen to you or anything, so I wasn't prepared like yourself. I literally just didn't know what to do. I thought of like all of these different options of what I could be doing, and then we'll explore them together in this video. I'll show you my thought process, what I do, and I hope it helps you along the way as well. Carry on watching this video if you want to see how I solve this problem. Morning. So I've just opened up the new Falscara, literally like brand new, yeah? This is an actual joke today. I mean, you can't put that on your eyes, can you? Look at it, it's literally like glistening with Falscara. Right, so you would have seen my palaver this morning when the Falscara didn't Falscara. When Falscara doesn't work. Like honestly, I was expecting like, oh, a fresh tube of Falscara, happy days, da da da. And I was just experiencing this. I was like, what the hell? So yeah guys, there's like no filter part to it whatsoever. It's just this gloopy mess of a wand, and in here there's like no stopper, so all of the product just comes out onto the wand, which is an absolute nightmare to apply, and it's literally getting really messy around the tube. I might just grab my old tube of Falscara where it has the stopper and take that off. So as you can see, where there's a black line, that is the stopper and where it should be. And if I can just take that off, but I think also if I could take it off from the seal side, it would be much better, because I don't use the seal at all, so it's like less messy to work with. I don't know if you can see directly into the tube. What I'm gonna do is try and just take this out. Oh no, it's breaking.
No, I broke it.
I can't do it. I broke it. I ended up breaking it instead. So I'm looking at alternative options. So I can buy a... You can't even buy the stoppers by themselves. You have to buy like a whole mascara tube, as in like you're making your own mascara kit. This is what I'm finding online. This is what I typed in as well. Mascara stopper. And like that. Oh, this is so annoying because you pay so much for the product, and then when you get a faulty product, like what you're supposed to do. I bought it ages ago, like ages ago. And I don't have a receipt. I can't just go up to like Superdrug or like, you know, and just be like, excuse me, blah 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 blah. I could buy those like mascara tubes and just like use them in a sense. All week I've been using it, but literally scraping it off on tissue. That's what I've been doing all week, and this is really sticky. Anyway, yeah, so I've been doing that. So I didn't go ahead and use my backup Falscara. I kind of like, I don't want to waste this product. I've paid for this money. It's got all of this Falscara liquid products and I want to use it. Do you know what I mean? Like, I paid for it and I want to use it. I went on Amazon and I found mascara wands, like empty packaging mascara wands for like new product and stuff, for £3.99, and I thought maybe I could use the stopper from there. So I've been waiting all week to do this video. So yeah, it comes, oh, it's such a big stopper. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, it's so annoying. So it comes like that, and has two kind of stoppers. It has this clear one, it has this black one here. I'm just gonna open it. This probably will come in handy in the future anyway. Literally, my Falscara comes without anything. So when you take out the product, it literally has nothing to like take the excess off. You put your product in, obviously, then you place this stopper in. It's really tight squeeze, this is, but I'm not going to do it fully, but you put that in and then essentially this would catch the excess Falscara. I don't think this filter is going to fit into here, into this tube. Oh, for goodness sake, it's actually just so annoying. That's so much product, right? It looks like a hockey stick. The diameter on this, ugh, I think it's bigger. Can you see? I just don't think that they're going to fit. And this is just so messy as it is. No, this is literally too big. No, it's not going in. Can you see that? It's like literally just... So I'm going to stick this filter into this mascara tube instead. Right, I'm going to stick it on there. Then I'm just going to pop this into here so it catches... So I don't have to keep on using tissue. Ugh, anyway, let's go. The Falscara wand is too thin, and right, I'm gonna try again with this. Right, everyone just be careful when you're trying to do these things at home, because yeah, just be careful. Oh, we have a bit of liftage. We have a little bit of liftage. Don't worry guys, my hands are clean. So guys, we might have been unsuccessful the first time, but you can see there's literally Falscara on my fingers. But anyway, so you can see there is liftage from this filter tip. I feel like I'm talking about smoking, but I'm not. Yeah, can you see that? It's literally coming off now. You can see like, oh, it's lifting up. Maybe because the other one was old and crusty, it just wouldn't come off, but this one's, I feel like it's doing the trick. I'm just like edging it up, trying not break the top bit of the seal. So I'm going to keep working on this. Guys, I've only gone and done it. I've only gone and done it. Can you see that? I have actually achieved it. I've taken it out of the seal. So you can see this one's completely empty of the seal. It doesn't have it on this side. I've just taken it out. Oh my gosh, this is just a breakthrough. So what I'm going to do is clean this tube again. Falscara is really tricky to clean, just because it's such a sticky adhesive product. So you can't really clean it. Not with like soap and water. It doesn't, because it's, you've got to use something that is oily to really break the bonds. You want to use something a bit oily, but we're not going to do that today. I'm just cleaning the tube so that any excess Falscara, so this is clean. Just cleaning it away with some tissue. There we are. You can see this Falscara tube is empty. Now I'm going to be taking the filter tip I was able to take from the seal. Now this doesn't have any seal product at all around it or in it, because I don't use the seal, so that's a great that's great. And then I'm just going to put this into here, and then we're going to, oh thank the Lord, oh my gosh, it fits. I'm so happy with that, finally, because I don't want there to be any messy application or anything. I'm just going to clean the rest of this Falscara. wand. Now I'm going to stick it into the Falscara. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It's done the job. Oh, I'm literally just over the moon right now. I'm just going to place the seal back into its tube. There we are. Great. Yes, guys. If you can take out the filter tip from the other side, then try that if you don't use a seal. But I don't know what else you could do if you, yeah, I don't know. I'm so excited, like, look, it's come out clean and I'm so happy about that. No more gloopy messes. This video is really gonna help those of you who already use Falscara or have a spare tube of Falscara lying around. So with that, I hope this video has helped you and I'll see you guys in the next one.